when I look through from 8th century hula, they've encountered so many things, invasions, smallpox, diseases, migrations. The whole society changed, but what stayed constant was the mo'olelo, the history, the chants and the hula that preserved all of these events. So when you look at the future, even though we're encountering this COVID, it's just another thing to overcome. And I believe hula will always continue, whether it's done virtually, whether it's done in person, whether it's done privately, whether it's done out in the aina and our kupuna or the sacred sites that we go. I think it will continue as long as we as Kumu keep that vision and that mission in our halaus to continue that way. The future is good. Future is good.